What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera distortion in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning your camera lens, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on app management and then scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. So you go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back to your home screen and open camera. On top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and click on restore defaults and then again click on restore. After do restore defaults, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. Restart your device, it can fix minor glitches. So swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.